Welcome back to the lab. Today, 5 cleaning gadgets that do the dirty work for you, ranked. And number 1 cleans your floors while you're not even home. Quick heads up, everything's linked in the description. Let's get into it, starting at number 5. Number 5, a pack of microfiber cloths. They grab dust instead of pushing it around, they polish glass and screens with just water, and you can wash them 100 times. It's the cheapest thing on this list and honestly the one you'll reach for every single day. Number 4, a Steam Mop. Just water turned into hot steam. No buckets, no sticky floor cleaner, no chemical smell. It lifts grime out of tile and sealed floors and sanitizes as it goes. Your kitchen floor has never actually been this clean. Number 3, a handheld cordless vacuum. Crumbs on the counter, cereal in the car seat, litter around the box, 30 seconds and it's gone. No dragging the big vacuum out for a tiny mess, which means the tiny messes actually get cleaned. Number 2, an electric spin scrubber. It does the scrubbing so your arms don't. Soap scum in the shower, grout, the bathtub ring that never comes off. Swap the brush head, press the button, and watch it disappear. Bathroom day just got dramatically shorter. And number 1, the one that cleans while you're gone, a robot vacuum. You press start on your phone, leave, and come home to vacuumed floors every single day. It maps your rooms, gets under the couch where you never go, and empties into its own base. It's the one gadget that actually gives you time back. If you buy one thing from this list, make it this one. That's a wrap from Home Picks Lab. Everything's linked below with current prices. If this helped, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.